Manus AI is China's fully autonomous AI agent, and it's making waves in the tech world. Could this be the first true artificial general intelligence? Let's break down 10 shocking facts about Manus AI. 1. Manus AI is the first fully autonomous AI agent. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, Manus AI doesn't just generate responses. It plans, executes, and completes tasks on its own without human supervision. 2. Manus AI was created by the Chinese startup Butterfly Effect and was launched on March 6, 2025, positioning China as a leader in next-gen AI development and sparking global debates on its capabilities. 3. Some experts believe this could be a massive leap towards AGI, making Manus AI one of the most advanced and controversial AI systems ever built. 4. Manus AI competes with OpenAI and Google as the first AI taking steps towards artificial general intelligence, AGI, a machine that can think like a human. 5. It learns from the internet in real time. Unlike other AI models, Manus constantly updates itself by pulling new information from the internet to refine its decision-making. 6. It can perform multi-step tasks independently, analyze financial reports, schedule meetings, or even book flights without needing step-by-step instructions. 7. It is your personalized AI assistant. It adapts to user behavior and predicts what you need before you even ask, a game changer for personal productivity. 8. It has raised privacy concerns because Manus operates autonomously. Some worry about how much control it has over sensitive data and decision-making. 9. This AI is a game changer in China's competition with the West in AI dominance. 10. This will change the job market forever. With Manus AI capable of handling complex jobs, many experts predict it could change entire industries and job markets. What do you think? Is Manus AI the future or a threat? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech RVR for more AI updates.